Hey guys, Tony here. There is something that I've been meaning to talk to you guys about. Sorry, I'm on the treadmill, so if I'm a little breathing heavy, just remember, I tend to give my best advice on the treadmill. But let's talk about new traders and people giving out advice this year. A lot of people this year there's a lot of new traders that bought in back here at the dump, March, April, back with everything bled. And now you see all these people with like 100% gains over the course of the past, couple months back in March, April, up until now. And they think that there's some sort of like trading guru, right? And, there's a lot of people who started before them that can actually give really solid advice. But, a really good way of telling if a trader is actually good is by how long they've been trading. And if you guys follow people that started trading here, you could have literally thrown a dart at the wall and you would have made 100% gains by doing nothing, right? Literally nothing. So, you guys shouldn't listen to anybody. The only reason I gave you guys advice here is, I'm showing you guys how to trade, and, I'm telling you guys, hey, this might do this stock might do this. That doesn't mean you guys should listen to me, right? I started trading years ago. I didn't start trading this year. I started trading years ago. I don't trade a small amount of money. I'll show you guys like my record of SPY, my options activity. This is just on the assignments that I had, all the orders that I have. This is just, this is not something that I've been trading just now. Again, you shouldn't listen to anybody 100%. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to anybody else. And especially don't listen to people that started trading this year back in March or even April, and they're like, oh, I got 1,000% gain, I got 100% gain. These people don't know how to trade. What happened is that they bought something randomly and they got extremely lucky, right? So take your advice, do your research, know who these people are giving out advice, right? Like, it's one of those things where it's like you wouldn't listen to a race car driver that started last week. You're gonna be going after the people who have been in it for a while and have experience, right? Or at least know how to trade or have a strategy or something. But if I've been seeing this a lot on, not necessarily TikTok, because I don't really look at a lot of other people that trade on TikTok. I don't really care about anybody else. I only care about myself, right? I only care about myself. I trade the way that I trade. I don't listen to anybody else unless they're doing better than I am. But a lot of people on Reddit, they've been posting, especially a lot of new traders, and they're like, hey, I've been trading for the last couple of months. This is my advice. Don't listen to those people. Everybody that started trading back here and are now seeing gains, it's all luck. It's literally just luck. They didn't trade based on anything. They did no research. There's no DD involved. It's just, I'm going to blindly close my eyes, throw some money at like a random stock, and I'm going to magically make 100%, 1,000% gains, because this is just an insane bull run. This is not something that happens often. 2020 is not every single year. Like 2020 is the most absurd, or the most abnormal, the weirdest time to trade that we've ever seen. So anybody that actually started trading this year, 100%, do not listen to them.